Welcome back, everybody. So on this video, probably saw from the title, so I'll be replacing my thermostat. So I went to a camping trip and we went to Silverwood Lake and I was going up the 15 and it started overheating, so I pulled off, let it cool down a little bit, and then it wasn't too bad. Good thing we're only going somewhere close, but so now I gotta work on it. So we figured out it might be the thermostat in here. So let's get that replaced. So right now I'm gonna work on these hoses. I got some new ones. I don't like how it looks like all this. I did this for it won't kink, but let's work on that and then let's see how this goes. All right, so the engine is somewhat cooled down. So let's see if I won't get burned. So I have these hose clamps on here. If you can hear it, it's bubbling. So loosen this up, because what I'm trying to do is not take that hose off. No matter what, coolant will fall out. It will fall out. But I'm trying not to lose all of it. I just want to bring this up. So what now I'm doing is taking off these bolts, seeing how much more coolant comes out. And then this is a 12 millimeter socket. So just take these out. And just be careful with, there's a connect. Oh, before that, let's take that connector off. Can't do it by hand. Oh wow, that was easy. How do we do that? I need to get some sealant. I'm not sure there's a correct way to take it off, but I'm loosening them all and then doing a corner by corner or an X shape. All right, so I just took off the top of the thermostat. So this is it. And so you have multiple connectors. Make sure you take all this stuff off before you take it off. And on this side too. The hose, there's a little hose right here. What's this? And you got this sensor right here. So the reason why I have to replace it, this thing might be broken or bad, whatever reason, but I'm gonna replace it. Like O'Reilly's has them, I think AutoZone, but I think O'Reilly's would have it better. And I'm not sure how this is supposed to work, but there's a lot of gunk in here. I'm gonna have to clean all this stuff off before I put it back. And I'm gonna need to go get sealant. Forgot that. But I have to go back anyways. I think I'll pick up my hose. So I'll come back to you when everything's good in here. And yeah, let's see how this goes. So, got everything back on. Got the thermostat in. We got the new one put back in. Yeah, we do. New one back in. Put the sealant on, and I'm gonna tighten up these bolts. Now the torque for these ones, I believe, is 15. Not much. Just peace of mind knowing that they're correctly torqued down. This is your radiator, so you don't want anything happening around a trip or a trail, and then screws coming out loose. Alright. And I'm going in a cross pattern. Do this side first, the back left, and I'm doing the right side. That's it. Alright. So that's done. Got the sealant. Got some sealant on the fine. Looks good. I can show you guys close up when everything's done. So that's done. Alright. So the hoses I'm using for the, I think it's some type of radiator hose, because radiator coolant comes out of here and goes into here somewhere. If you guys know what it is, let me know. I'm not sure what it is. But the hoses I'm using is from just O'Reilly's brand, I'm assuming. It's 18010. So I'm not sure these are the correct ones, but they fit. They fit a little too tight. Maybe I could got a little bigger of a hole, but they're snug and it works. You just cut it to length. No kinking, because the other ones I had, not sure the correct size or what, but yeah, made all these hose clamps on it for it won't kink. But no, just need one just to make sure it stays there, and keep going. This, and plus this looks better than just all those wire crimps. Right, and I possibly forgot to put one down there, but I think we'll be fine. We'll find out. All right, so Put everything back on, got the hoses on, got these tightened down to spec. I put this hose back on, that hose back on, connect all the sensors I needed. All right. Let's start this and see what happens. All right, so there's no leaks anywhere. None on the bottom. That looks good. So now, we really won't know until we take it for a test drive, so let's go take it for a test drive. Alright, so taking it for a drive. So it's at the middle when I left, so let's see if it goes up. I'm gonna floor it too, see if try to get this really hot. But so far so good.